The four mysticals were in their Mysticland Elementia School's dorm room when Verum cried out in excitement. "I found it! It's in Spain!" she said, while looking into her crystal ball. The other three gathered around her. You see, ever since their class on man-made mysteries, she has been looking for an ancient book called the Voynich manuscript. This book has coded writing that no human until now has been able to crack, and Verum wanted to try. She pointed out where the book was and Orak summoned it for her. There it was, the precious and mysterious Voynich manuscript on their table. It almost looked like someone's journal with handwritten code and beautiful drawings. Do you know that these pages are made of vellum, which is animal skin and not paper? This vellum has been carbon dated to the early 15th century and in Italy. This means someone in Italy wrote this manuscript in a secret language that nobody can understand. "So why is it called Voynich manuscript?" asked Felix. "I know that," said Scorch. In 1912, a Polish book dealer, Wilfrid Voynich, bought this book and spent many years trying to decode it. "Apparently, many people have gone crazy trying to understand it," said Scorch. "Be careful, Verum. You are almost there," said Felix. But Verum was too excited to pay any attention. She took her mystical glass and began going through the world's most mysterious book. Stay tuned for the next episode.